Alright, and come back to me. And I'm just going to ask for names, so here we go, right? Will, first one, formula. SO3, so that was ionic or covalent? Covalent, because you said, or you saw the sulfur and the oxygen together, good. Nidhi, iron 3 carbonate. Fe, and I heard carbonate. I'll come right back to you. Cam, carbonate. On the second one.
I put CO3.
Okay, so carbonate, so CO3, you put parentheses around it, and what are the charges here and here?
I just put CO3 and 3.
The 3 goes on the outside of iron, so you cross the 3 down, but if one, so that looks like carbonate has a 1 charge. Everybody, what does carbonate have? 2 charges. We have to crisscross both charges. It's not 1, it's both. So yeah, I just remember carbonate's 2. Annabelle, barium bromide. Good. Anna, tin 2 fluoride. Good. Olivia's not here. Aaron, magnesium oxide. Okay, so we're reducing it to its empirical formula. All right, okay, so that's going to be reduced. Savannah, sulfur hexafluoride. Aluminum acetate, Hallie.
Al, C2H3O2. And then outside it's 3.
Good. Grant, diphosphorus monosulfide. P2S, good. Hannah, potassium nitrite. Give me, is it a polyatomic or is it a normal? It's a poly, so give me the first letter of the poly. N, and everybody's second letter is generally what for polys? O. So we know it's K, NO something. So nitrate, I'll tell you guys is NO3, so it's nitrate. 2, and then potassium charge is a 1, nitrite is also 1, so KNO2. Okay. Emma, ammonium chloride. Good. Nicole, chlorine monoxide or monoxide. ClO, good. Silicon tetrachloride. Evan? SiCl4, good. Chlorine trifluoride, Zoe? ClF3, good. Beryllium oxide, Jasmine? What do you say? BE? BeO, and why are there no charges? Right, they're both 2s, and you just plug them both down to 1s. Magnesium fluoride. Jacob? Help me out though. Magnesium fluoride. So it's magnesium. Everybody point to magnesium in the periodic table? Okay, so magnesium is a 2 charge crisscross over. Fluorine has a 1 crisscross over MgF2. Coal, sulfur difluoride. SF2. Good. Kelsey's not here. Austin, sodium biphosphate.
NAP. Oh, fuck, it's PO4.
PO4.
Parentheses around it.
So I left a space in the front here. So as a reminder, when we have bi on a polyatomic ion, we take the normal poly, which is PO4 3 minus, right? We take and add an H plus to it. So when we add an H plus, which is a 1 plus, what does that combine to be? HPO4 2 minus, because that 3 drops down to 2 because of the addition of a 1. So then HPO4 is there. Where does this 2 minus go? Right. A2, HPO4. So phosphate is just PO4 3 minus. When you have bi means to add an H plus. This is just how the poly's naming system worked out. If you add an H plus, it's actually a 1 plus. 1 plus and a 3 minus come together to make what? 2 minus. And then the H, the P, the 4, and the 4 is just kind of smushed together to make HPO4. Okay? Thank you for trying that one. Lithium nitride, Vanessa. Good. Li3N. Chromium 3 carbonate, Marissa. CO3. CO3 is carbonate, parentheses. Oh, would you say this again for me? I may have missed something you said.
I didn't see our.
Where's this 3 going for chromium? Alright, so this is chromium. Check. This is chromium. What's carbonate? CO3. And I'm putting that in parentheses. Okay. What's chromium's charge? 3. What's carbonate's charge? 2. Crisscross. What goes here? 2. What goes here? 3. Good? Okay. Ammonium acetate. Anthony.
NH4, C2, H3O2.
And I'm just going to put that in parentheses so it's very clear. Like this is ammonium and this is acetate. Both have 1 charges, so we're good. Okay. All right. Thank you. So we're going to do a quick activity. I don't know if you guys saw, but someone died. Thank you. So this long-legged midget with no feet died. And this is the situation. So there's a crime scene. You guys are on the CSI forensics team. You know, a little forensic chemistry going on here. So we're going to analyze some scenarios. There are 4 scenarios in terms of how this guy died. And I am your lead investigator. Okay, I'm your lead investigator, and you report to me. I'm working with the autopsy people, what do you call those people? Coroners, autopsy people. So that's what I call them. So I'm working with them, and they're going to be submitting an autopsy report to me very soon about the chemical composition of 4 substances in Midget Man's body. Okay, so you have to do the grunt work in analyzing the chemical composition of scenarios. So here are the rules. You'll be working, taking some substances that are given to you in the data form and finding the chemical composition of those said substances, and then we're going to run the analysis of the autopsy to see what killed him. So you must be looking in groups of 3. 1 person is a CSI liaison, and they're going to wear a tag, and that's the person who can come talk to the lead investigator. I am a very busy investigator. So there's a little tag. So only that person can cross the CSI tape. Everybody else is kind of staying on the crime scene. So you're going to talk to me, communicate with your teammates as best as you can. No, don't say, okay, Luke, you do this one, Samantha, you do this one, and Nathan, you do this one. This is a group effort, because if I see you dividing and conquering, it doesn't really help your conceptual knowledge, and you're a really crappy teammate. Like, I wouldn't want you on my team, okay? So I'll kick you off the team. You can do it yourself. So wear your name tags, and then I have, of course, prizes for my folks who work fast, efficiently, and collaboratively. And then I have 2. Okay, I have one joke for you. How do you say silicon in Spanish?
Silicone.
What? S-I. So, okay,
Well,
never
I
mind.
got it right.
Okay, so you guys have about 30 seconds to form your teams and find a place. Oh, you need paper, pencil, calculator. Paper, pencil, calculator.
I got my calculator.
Yes, this is a group. Yep.
You give me a,
Bigger. Ten, 9, 8, 7. Move it. 6. Let's get going. 5. Try a name tag. The next name tag. Okay. 2.
Breaking news! Breaking news! I've heard that some of the investigators are not helping their team along. It's a shame. So make sure you're reading the details and pulling the details out. Don't forget to read that scenario like 18 times. Pull the details out from your paper. Proceed as you have been trained. And if you need your notes, you can grab your